These are my psychology terms for motivation, emotion, and stress. Jill was out playing kickball with her friends. When it was her turn to kick the ball, she missed, tripped, and fell to the ground. She first felt the pain of her landing on the ground, and then she felt sad. She had two awful choices, either to go to the doctors or to sit out the rest of the game. Jill first feeling pain and then feeling sad is known as the James Lange theory, which states that an event causes physical arousal first and then causes an emotion. The choice she had to make is known as the avoid-avoid conflict, where there are two undesirable options that Jill will have to pick from. Lucy went into a haunted house for Halloween when she got scared by a ghost and started to shake. She was able to either exit the haunted house so she wouldn't be scared anymore, yet she would be alone because all of her friends stayed in the haunted house, or she could stay in the haunted house and have a good time with her friends, but still get scared. Lucy first feeling the emotion of being scared and then having the physical arousal of shaking is known as the common sense theory, where an event causes the emotional experience and then the physical arousal. Her choices, both having pros and cons to each, is known as the approach-avoid conflict. Hannah sees a spider in her bedroom. She is deathly afraid of spiders. She experiences the fear and a response of running away at the same time. She has the option to either kill the spider or to ask her friend to put it outside, which are two options that she likes. Her having the emotion and the physical arousal at the same time is known as the Cannon-Bard theory, which uses two different parts of the brain at the same time. Her having two options that she likes is known as the approach-approach conflict. Sarah has to go to the doctor. She is sick because of the collective antigens in her body. When she is in the waiting room, she starts to sweat and has a faster heart rate. She labels the emotion as anxiousness and fear. When her doctor takes her from the waiting room, she becomes much calmer and her heart rate slows down. The doctor tells her that her lymphocytes are working to destroy the antigens with her T cells. Sarah labeling the event, which is being in the waiting room that caused the physical arousal of having a faster heart rate, and then labeling the emotion of being anxious, is the Schachter-Singer two-factor theory. The antigens are foreign substances such as bacteria that get people sick. The lymphocytes are white blood cells that work to get rid of the antigens, and the T cells are a type of lymphocyte that attacks and destroys the antigens.